Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. My name is Pear, the Thai visa consultant here at Siam Legal, and if you clicked on this video, you're probably thinking about spending your golden years in Thailand. A retirement visa could be your ticket to making that happen. Today, we're going to walk you through everything you need to know to apply for a Thai retirement visa step by step. So let's dive in. First, let's talk about eligibility. To qualify for a Thai retirement visa, you must be at least 50 years old. You also need to meet specific financial requirements like a monthly income of 65,000 Thai baht or savings of 800,000 Thai baht in the Thai bank account. However, for your monthly income, please note that some countries' embassies in Thailand are currently not offering the income verification document. So, please make sure to check with your embassy when applied in Thailand. Now, here is a step-by-step guide to applying. We strongly advise applying from abroad. Start by gathering all necessary documents, and don't worry, we'll cover those next. You want to start with applying for a 90-day non-immigrant O visa obtained electronically from your country of residence. This process typically takes 3 to 4 weeks. Next, when you come to Thailand with your 90-day non-O visa, this is when you will set up a bank account, transfer the required funds, and let it sit for 2 months before converting it to a 1-year retirement visa. As for the required documents, we'll split it into 2 main parts. The first part is obtaining your initial 90-day visa from your home country. Without professional help, just send us a copy of your passport, your hotel and flight reservations, and most importantly, a bank statement showing funds equivalent to 800,000 baht in your foreign bank account. The second part is converting your 90-day non-O visa into a 1-year retirement visa when you are in Thailand. The required documents for this are the copy of passport pages, for example, personal information page, last entry stamp, visa sticker, and extension stamp if any, a lease agreement, and a proof of funds of 800,000 baht maintained in the Thai bank account. And you might be wondering where the police clearance certificate, medical certificate, and health insurance fit in all of this. If this sounds familiar, you're not wrong. These documents are requirements specifically for the non-immigrant OA retirement visa. The main differences between the non-O and the non-OA visas lie in the slight addition in the documentation and the fact that the OA is a multiple entry visa. Otherwise, the application process is the same. Once you have your retirement visa, you'll want to keep it current to enjoy your stay. Each year, you will need to renew your visa, which involves verifying your financial standing again. Make sure to maintain the required balance 2 months after issuance and at least 3 months before renewal. Lastly, don't forget to report your address every 90 days. It's a bit of extra effort, but it ensures that you can maintain your residency hassle-free. So there you have it. From eligibility to extending your visa, that's everything you need to know about the Thai retirement visa process. We hope this guide helps you feel ready and excited about your new adventure. If you have any questions or need help along the way, don't hesitate to reach out to the Thai visa specialist at Siam Legal. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for regular updates on Thailand immigration and legal news. สวัสดีค่ะ